How to buy Solana in Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Phantom Wallet application. You will be led to the home page of Phantom Wallet. Tap on the buy option you see there and further tap on the Solana option. You will then be required to enter the amount you want to purchase and then tap on the credit and debit card option. You will be able to see a bunch of options, so go ahead and select your preferred payment method and tap on that, and then tap on the buy button. You will then be led to the interface where you will be required to enter your card details. So go ahead and enter your card details and confirm your payment, and with this Solana will be bought. So this is how you can buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.